What the? Why?
Dude, what the fuck is this?
Alright, man, I guess I don't live here anymore. Evidence.
Open it.
What's up with what? What the fuck? Why? Damn. Did you find peanuts?
That's why we went to Walmart.
Really? Well, where's the mattress at? God.
It's actually at my place.
For real?
Nah. I'm joking. But not carried all the way to Foundation.
That would be funny though.
It'd be a long walk. Alright.
Yeah. Actually, it's actually pretty good because there wasn't any decoration on the wall.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
So, I
too.
mean, like, it's like...
Dude, I got some chicks to come do the heart for us.
Did you really?
I did.
There was chicks in my room?
Yes,
Yeah,
there were
man.
2, and they were pretty cute actually.
Oh,
And I
damn.
pulled that.